Hello darlings, happy Valentine's Day. Hello me darlings, and welcome back to my channel. To all my old and new subscribers, thank you for tuning in. If you're new and just passing by for the first time, please do not leave without clicking on the subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell because it will notify you of any time I upload a new video. So guys, today's video is something hot and spicy, especially for my ladies. Other ladies in the house say, oh yeah. So ladies, I'll be briefly showing you all, presenting to you some sexy lingerie, did I pronounce that right, or underwear you can use to spice up this Valentine for your babe, for your man, for your partner, for your boyfriend. Where it shouldn't be only on Valentine's Day anyways. You can spice up your relationship anytime, any day. So let's not only restrict it to Valentine's Day alone. Every day should be Lover's Day, right? Guys, I'm just briefly going to show you some lingeries and underwears you can use to spice up your love life. So let me not put it on only Valentine's Day. You can spice up your relationship anytime, any day. Actually, this is the first time I'll be doing this kind of video, and if my hubby eventually sees this video, he will ask me, do you practice what you preach? Yes, of course. You know how men are. They want almost all the time, and we women with kids, please. Okay guys, let's get right into this video. Some of the lingerie I'll be showing you are very old. Stuff I got some time ago, just few are new. So I'll be showing you guys my few collections, just a lingerie idea. So the first one I'll be showing you guys is this two-piece. You know the theme for Valentine is usually red, so red is very important amongst everything you're going to use to spice up your marriage, your relationship, or whatever it is. So it is this red G-string, and this is the top part. Okay guys, I'm just going to leave a short clip of me wearing it for you guys. Please do not laugh. I know I am a plus size now, but just so you know how it is on the body, I'm going to leave a short clip by the side for you guys to see. So the next one I'll be showing you guys is this silk or satin. What is this material called again? Can you imagine? I can't even remember. And this is the panties that goes with it. How sexy is this? Again, I'm going to show you a clip. You see that clip over there? It's me trying to suck in my stomach. Yeah, I have a big stomach, so I have to suck it in to look sexy. What do you guys think? The next I'll be showing you is this I got not too long ago from Fashion Nova. It's a one piece and it's not bad. Well, what is it called? Corset. Yes. It's not bad either. Guys, the next I'll be showing you is this two-piece nude bra and panties. It doesn't have to be red always. It's really very nice. As you can see in the clip there, I had to suck in my stomach too to make it look sexy. Don't blame me, I'm turning to a plus size already. All that baby fat will soon go away, I promise you guys. So another I'll be showing you guys is this two-piece bra and G-string. What is Valentine without red, guys? You know, there's no Valentine without red. What do you guys think? The next I'll be showing you guys is this, should I call it a singlet or something? Guys, my mom-in-law actually got me this like 2 years ago. It's really nice. I love it. So comfy, so interesting to go to bed with. Very nice. So the next I'll show you guys is this black panties and black bra. Yeah, you guys know black is always very sexy. I have a lot of black. See how the panties is? And this is the bra. It's a push-up bra. The next I'll be showing you guys is this. Guys, also I got this from my mother-in-law last year, 2 years ago also, can't remember. it is very comfortable too to go to bed. It's at first when she gave it to me, I said, "Oh, Mama, this looks like an old woman stuff." But when I tried it on, I really liked the feel and how it is on the body. Can spice it up. Next, I will show you guys is this one piece I got some time ago from AliExpress. Yeah, I love it too. It also serve as inner wear for me whenever I wear my two-piece suits or whatever. Yeah. So the next I'll be showing you guys is this. It is something like a cincher. It flattens the stomach, the holes behind. I'm just going to leave your imagination to how the back looks like, or I'm going to insert a clip of how the back of this looks like. It is really something else. My husband loves this. I'm wearing, oh sorry guys, I'm wearing one of them. I will have to show you. Next is this. Like I said, I'm wearing one of them. I have to show you. I also insert a short video I made of it so you can see how the bottom looks like. So guys, that is basically all for this video. Lingeries and on this to spice up this Valentine. And like I said, not just on Valentine's Day, any day supposed to be Lover's Day. Every day, any day is supposed to be Lover's Day. And also guys, remember that Valentine is not just only for your lovers, your partners, your husband, your boyfriend. For the less privileged too, for the motherless. Show love, spread love, give love. It's a day of love. And also ladies, while you are in the spirit of Valentine, do not forget to eat a lot of fruits like pineapple and some strawberries so you can be sweet in the middle, if you get what I'm saying. So guys, thanks for staying with me on this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you, bye. And for those holier than that Georginas who is going to judge me or raise their nose on this video, don't worry. Love is a beautiful thing. You don't have to be ashamed of love.